Hi everyone, my name is Riley Arocho. I'm in Everyone's Inclusive Learning class, and I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. So, like I said before, my name is Riley. I'm 21 years old. I actually just had my birthday earlier this month. I am 75% Puerto Rican. The other percent is all complete mutt. I'm a mix of everything. I am a waitress right now at La Piazza in Allentown, New Jersey to support myself through college. I work really only 3 days a week, and then I pick up extra parties and work in the banquet hall. Right now, though, with the pandemic, it is hard. People aren't coming in to eat, everyone's afraid, and I completely understand that. So I've been having a hard time. So my boyfriend and my parents do help me out when I need it. I have 3 dogs. I have Jordan, which is our Yorkie, Thor, which is our German Shepherd. He's a lot bigger now. He's 7 months old. I just didn't have a cuter picture of him. And Sadie, which is our soft coat and Wheaten Terrier. She lives with my boyfriend because we already have 2 crazy dogs here. So we couldn't throw in a third. It'd be too much. So I live with my parents in central New Jersey. I live extremely close to Six Flags Great Adventure. That's like a fun fact about me. No one knows where my town is. So I say I'm 5 minutes from Six Flags. So like, oh, okay, we probably driven through there. So if you make like a left out of my development and go down the road, it's like 5 minutes on our right. But I do not count as Jackson. I count as New Egypt. I didn't go to Jackson school districts. Another fun fact is I did grow up in New Egypt. I went to their school system from primary school to middle school, and then I got into my high school on a choice basis. So Allentown High School has a choice program, and I got in for education. So I did sociology, child development, psychology, and my junior year, because the way my scheduling went out, I was able to do a student teaching in the middle school that they have with a special ed teacher, and I really, really enjoyed it. I knew I always wanted to be a teacher and always wanted to be a special ed teacher. I just knew that I didn't know what age yet. So when I went through there, I knew middle school and high school definitely wasn't for me. They scare me. Middle schoolers, I don't know what it is. They're just kind of scary. So my ideal classroom right now would be second grade inclusive. I really, really want to be the main teacher, but I also want to be the special ed teacher. So, and I know I was actually reading our chapter earlier, and I knew that in an inclusive classroom there is no main teacher, there's no role teacher, and if you do it correctly, you're able to have both teachers as the main teacher and the students wouldn't even know the difference. So I thought that was so cool, and like because I remember I had inclusive classes, but you knew who the role teacher was and who wasn't. But I like that the new way of doing things is that like the students don't know whose teacher is technically whose. Like the teacher is both teachers are all the students' teachers. They help all the students. It's their classroom. So I really enjoyed reading about that last night. I'm a liberal arts major with a concentration in early childhood. I want to do K to 6 with right now I have one more course to get my middle school certification to get my 15 credits, and then I just have to take my praxis middle school. So I think I'm going to do that. My course I'm taking is this summer for it, and then I'll decide if I really, really want to take the middle school exam or not. I know with Stockton, I have like a year after I graduate to still take the exam and want to do it. I just think if I do get my middle school certification, it'll make me more marketable because they can put me anywhere. Let's see, in the fall, I only have my 100-hour semester, so I'm actually going to be taking some grad courses as an undergrad. Stockton has that opportunity. I can take up to 6 credit hours, so I'm going to take 2 courses in the fall for my graduate, working towards my graduate degree. I want to get a master's in special education, so I'll be working for that in the fall. I just passed my praxis too. The 23rd, I passed it on Saturday. So as of now, I'm officially done with all the praxis exams and I'm working towards my teacher certification. I'm looking forward to getting to know everyone and thank you.